Tato?
China. Dandruff.
Tire ako.
Coconut oil yung nilagay niya. Medyo mahal.
Tapi ko to kapal to. Sodde lang mo.
Oh? Sade lao ni til?
Koti dire ani?
Unsa?
Dire ama mo.
Daming dandruff.
What is it?
Hotpot ba?
Guys, come on. Come on. Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay.
Yay! Pinaghirapan yan. Ginawa na yan 24 hours. Isang inuman ang kitang guro. Tanaw sa. Ano mo dito? Hi! Say hi! Hey! Merry Christmas!
You want something in?
Sana, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Tundar. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Dad.
Okay, ready? Again. Don't touch the color pink. Don't touch the color green. What? Don't touch the color yellow. Don't touch the color green. Don't touch the color pink. Don't touch the color yellow. Okay, light.
Okay.
Don't touch the color pink. Don't touch the color yellow. Don't touch the color light yellow. Don't touch the color green. Don't touch the color pink. Don't touch the color green. Don't touch the color pink. Don't touch the color light yellow. Wow, they're all good, ah. The color green.
Oh my God.
Don't touch the color yellow. Don't touch the color green. Don't touch the color pink. Don't touch the color light yellow. Don't touch the color green.
Good morning guys! So ngayon ay Linggo. So ngayon ay nandito tayo sa Capitol Hill College. Meron tayong meron tayong program, parang ano siya, counseling sa mga estudyante na gustong mag-aral or gustong lumabas ng bansa after Alam nyo yon after yung graduate. So, ano to kay Ate Flor na program ito guys. So, nandito tayo para sumuporta kay Ate Flor at sa kanyang training center. So, today, nandito tayo sa Capitol Hill College. Ayan, ang may-ari nito ay partner sa training center ni Ate Flor. So, mamaya mag-video-video tayo guys. So, nandito tayo para mag-counseling sa mga estudyante. So, ayan. Maliit lang siya. Pwede na. Si Ate Flor ang ating kasama.
Don't worry, this is just a leftover from my friends.
Okay, thank you so much.
We share this with our friends later.
Okay, thank you so much.
She's glad you did her, right?
Yes.
Hi guys, so while waiting sa ibang sa ibang mga participant, ano tawag na sa
wala
ibang
pang
mga
pilay,
organizer? Ay kakain tayo ng ubi halay.
Mga sa ta diri o.
Dessert in the morning.
She give to spoon. Ma'am, tori kano part sa. Tori kano part sa kaya.
Pinsa na siya.
Tigon. Siya na siya dito di ba sa Hapisar.
Pinsa na siya.
Sa main she's also counselor. Please.
Counselor?
Nga si
Kuya,
Kuya,
di
siya
mo.
siya dito. Mari pero unya pa. Si katong isa ka ma'am, siya gitong pagsugod gid ng Hapisar Dance Club.
Pinsa naman?
Katong isa ka ma'am nga busy with government here. Nakita nimo in the road in the beginning. Manager yun siya. So, without him, dili mi mag-join ani.
Guys, cancel ang trabaho bukas daw.
Pwede magyapon ikon ko kasi i-add nimo.
So, na-cancel man guys ang counseling or program dito. So, di ata sa Labim Mall guys. Moni siya. Ito yung pansosyal na mall dito sa Kathmandu. So, first time ko pong makapasok dito. Ayan. So, thank you ate for bringing me here. Ayan. Labim Mall siya guys. Pasok na tayo. Pizza Hut. Ayan. Let's go inside. Ay. Hajur. Okay.
So guys, this is the best for me, the best decoration.
Why?
Every Christmas po guys, meron po silang program dito for all of us. So minsan nananalo ako dito ng ng tawag dito gift, mga regalo. Pero nung Christmas wala kami kasi nandun kami sa isa sa farm namin. So ito yung tinatawag na Latte Mall, one of the best, cleanest mall in Nepal, okay? So I think na may-ari dito parang Christian, hindi ko alam. Kasi palagi talagang maganda yung Christmas decoration niya. Every year. Diba?
La guys, oh.
Social na kayo na guys. Nanay na dito sa
Si tawag ani?
Ang buta. Ay, no? Order here.
Ay na, there's order machine.
Order machine. Sige, basta order machine plus money machine.
So, KFC guys. So, libre ni ate. Thank you, te. Yan. Kay kuya. Thank you, kuya. Asawa ni ate ang naglibre sa amin. Bukas, kanya-kanya na. Oo. Kinain na yung allowance. Wala pang trabaho. Para hindi masayang ang outfit, guys. Lumabas kami ni ate. Pamili na diha. Guys, na snowball, snowball. May Christmas tree sa sulod. Gamay kaayo. Yeah, guys, mga Christmas decorations. Sunod akong dalon ng mga bata diri, guys. Dadalhin ko yung mga bata dito next time. Yan, guys. Yung kanilang Santa Claus. Yeah. Dito, guys, mga Christmas decorations. Then, marami silang kainan, guys. So, next time mga bata, dalhin ko dito.
Yan ang mga decorations nila for Christmas. Cute. Very cute. Cute. Ganda.
Namaste. Bago, you're going to. So if you want to study IELTS, you can come inside.
Hey guys! Hey! Welcome to China! Yes! E.T. and Violet. So thank you for coming with us today. Thank you for helping. Kasama namin yung mga Chinese students ni ate, guys. So natuloy kami today. Namigay kami ng brochure. And then, ayun, mga estudyante dito na gustong mag-aral abroad. So, we are the one who they should be partner with. So, sa amin sila dapat mag-enroll, guys, sa Transglobe. Ayan, si Ate Flor ay busy.
Grabe na to,
Hi,
nakapulikin na guys. Hello, namaste.
So, kumusta? Marami tayong na-convince today?
Marami kami na-convince today, guys. Pero sana pupunta sila. So, actually, okay, you're listening there. Okay, so if you want to go to Korea, we're giving 40% scholarship if you secure 3.5 of your score of the GPA, okay, on your plus 2. Okay, so we're helping Garib. Garib means a very poor students, okay, because they have no chance to go abroad. So we're helping them. So if you have friends, if you know someone who don't know how to speak English, you can send to Transglobe, okay, here, send to Transglobe. Your relatives, your friends, anyone, okay, can come to our office. So thank you, Saisa, for helping me today. Thank you so
Welcome.
much.
Thank you, Te.
So we're so happy, even though they don't understand what we said, but they said by heart. They said by heart, by Filipino heart, they understand us.
Ali.
Yeah. They said like this.
That's why.
You speak fluently, I will guarantee you.
Yes,
When
and
English lessons ko, pala basics. After basics, then we have to learn like how to speak. Everyday speaking, every single day. Okay, you go to toilet, speak English. You go to the bathroom, speak English. You go to the kitchen, speak English. So that's the only way you can speak English. Okay, so like it's sort of a
Guys, meron silang longest dance marathon. Guinness World of Record. So from this school, I don't know if this is updated or she's still holding the record, but muna siya 40 hours longest dance marathon by pair. Guinness. So natapos kami, guys, saglit lang kasi nagmadali mga estudyanteng umuwi. Pero at least may na-convince na iilan ba. And in the future, kung gusto nila, they can come to us. So it's easier like this. Magmadali lang. Madalian lang ng mga English, guys ba. Basic lang. So ayun. Mahal ang mag-study abroad. Pero if there's a will, there's a way. Because there's a lot more opportunity abroad. Alam naman nating lahat yon as a Filipino, no? So, baka bukas dito rin sila or diretso kami sa office ni Ate Flor guys. Baka mag part-time din ako doon ng turo-turo. And then gusto kong din yung SL, yung online na teaching din sa mga Chinese. So kailangan kong gumawa ng introduction video. Hindi ko pa nagagawa, so gagawa ako today maybe. We'll see. Ginang lamig. Ganito lang yung suot ko.
Chuping my face. Okay. Let's eat egg. Anda. Itlog. 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 Philippine itlog. Nepali anda. Chinese? Tita. Chitan. Chitan. Anda. Itlog.
Dan.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Ayaw po din. Chitan. Anda. Itlog. Itlog mo na yun. Egg. Korean? Tansiman nyo? Oh, I forgot. Google.
Hello. 감사합니다. konnichiwa. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
니하마.
사와디카. 카본카마니담카.
아리가또 고자이마스.
Ôi, Sài Ban, nó lên lại nha. Ui, Sài Ban, nó lên lại.
Kapun kap. Sawadika. Permission lunch. Eat nicely, okay? बुझ्दैन चाइनिजहरु बुझ्दैन खानुला खानु है मजाले खाने मजाले means eat nicely खानु किसी में दा सही खाली this is veg
Mag-selfie ta.
ay kain na tayo guys walang budget kaya ito lang gulay lang muna pero masarap